Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to make the video in the continuation of the trigonometry, class 11 trigonometry. As I have made and you have seen the videos in the Study Bright channel, that the concept of the trigonometry and also the formulae which you will use in the class 11, because I told every formula that is the based on the class 9 and 10 also, and then in class 11. This is the continuation, and in this continuation I will tell you about the converting product into sum and difference of the angles and the sum and difference into product of the angles, means product of the angles into the sum and difference using trigonometrical function, and then sum of product of the angles changing into the sum and this product of the trigonometrical angles. How to? There are the some formula. First one, 2 sin x cos y. If you have, if we let this x and y, if we change as a and b, then that will be very easy. Sin a cos b. Okay, 2 sin a cos b. Here the a is angle and b is also angle. This is with sine, this is with cos. Both are the different angle. Then what is the formula? This will be sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This is the formula of 2 sin a cos b. Means first you, means this is the, these are in product and changing into the sum and difference. So first you will write the sin a plus b and plus sin a minus b. Second formula, in the opposite case, suppose you have the cos a and sin b. I will tell you कि जैसे 2 into 3 है, तो this is equal to 6, so 3 into 2 is also 6. Then why I am writing here? Because these are in product, तो हम चाहे cos b इधर लिखे चाहे sin a लिखे. But if you see the left hand side, here the with sin the angle a and with cos the angle b, here with cos angle a and with sin angle b, there is a difference. Why it is the difference? In this case, in every year you will take the angle a is greater than angle b. मतलब a angle जो भी है वो b से greater है. तो फिर फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? इन दिस केस 2 cos a sin b and so what you will get? Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, means this plus sign will change into the minus sign. This is the formula of the cos a sin b. Then the next formula 2 cos a cos b. भाई ये भी फॉर्मूला होगा. तो cos a cos b का फॉर्मूला होता है cos a प्लस b प्लस cos a minus b. This is the formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. In this also the a is greater than b. Then the last formula is 2 sin a sin b, क्योंकि ये तुम्हारे फॉर्मूले में आता है cos a plus b में और cos a minus b. But this, in this case, when you do this one, you should be alert, because in this case this is the cos a minus b. पहले a minus b आएगा, then minus sin cos a plus b. This is the formula of the 2 cos sin 2 sin a sin b. 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, and 2 sin A cos B. These 4 types of combination you will get in the product changes into the sum and difference and not others. Then the reverse case, the sum you will change into the product. How? In this case the A is greater than B in some way. Now the next one, ये फॉर्मूला क्या लेते हैं C and D फॉर्मूले. तो अगर हम इसको लिखें cos C plus cos D, if you have the two angles, different angles and with the plus sign, and in both the angles the cos is there, so you have that, वो सॉरी, अगर हम इसको साइन से करें तो ज़्यादा बेटर है, शुरुआत साइन से करें. साइन C plus sin D. So in this case it will be 2 sin C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula. मतलब अगर sin C plus sin D है तो you will have the sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. But if you have the sin C minus sin D, क्योंकि ये भी हो सकता है कि बीच में माइनस साइन हो, तो इन दिस केस तो सबसे पहले कॉस आएगा C प्लस डी बाई टू एंड देन इट विल बी साइन C माइनस डी बाई टू. ये सब बहुत याद रखना है क्योंकि ये सब जरूरी है. देन cos C प्लस cos D, व्हाट यू विल गेट 2 cos C प्लस डी बाई टू एंड ये भी सेम है लेकिन यहां साइन की बजाय cos ही होगा C माइनस डी बाई टू. सिमिलरली cos C माइनस cos D, इस पे भी जरा ध्यान रखना है. इन दिस केस यू विल हैव माइनस साइन बिफोर, देन 2 एंड साइन C प्लस डी बाई टू एंड साइन C माइनस डी बाई टू. मतलब बोथ द साइन आर देयर, हियर द बोथ द cos आर देयर, बट इन दिस केस द माइनस साइन बिफोर द फॉर्मूला. तो ये याद रखना, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दीज आर द 4 फॉर्मूले, 4 प्रीवियस फॉर्मूले, टोटल 8 फॉर्मूले इन दिस एक्सरसाइज, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.6. you will have the exercise 3.6 and these 8 formulae and the previous formulae also you will use in this. Now some questions based on these formulae, like first question, convert, जैसे है 2 cos 7x, convert exercise 3.6, convert 2 cos 7x cos 3x in sum or difference. तो जैसे ये 2 cos A cos B, मतलब कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगे, 2 cos A. if you will write formula that will be very easy for you to learn, means you can learn simultaneously. जिस समय लिखते हैं उस समय याद भी हो जाता है. तो 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So you put the value 2 cos 7x cos 3x is equal to, put here cos 7x plus 3x and plus cos 7x minus 3x. So it will be cos 10x plus cos 4x. This is the answer. Sum of the angles and difference of the angles. So you will have, using this formula you can do. This is the very simple question, and now I will tell you the some more in which you have to use the same type of formula. But like question number 4, third part, sin 36 cos 36. Prove that sin 36 degree cos 36 degree is equal to root 2 cos 9 degree. This you have to show. I told you the formula only using the same type of trigonometric function in the sum are different. जैसे ये sin है तो ये भी sin होना चाहिए, ये cos है तो ये भी, but here the two different trigonometric functions. First of all, you have to change in which one trigonometric function. Which formula? अगर ये cos 36 है, can you write as 90 minus 4 7 54, because 90 minus 54 is 36, but so 1 minute, this is the cos 90 minus 54 complementary angle, and then this will be, you can change cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, means this formula or this value will change into the sin 54. The same thing is there, but only the form is changed. Now you can use the formula. Which formula? Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Use the formula in this. So 2 sin 36 plus 54 upon 2 into cos 36 minus 54 upon 2. So you will have 2 sin 90 by 2 into cos minus 8 1 minus 18 by 2, and as you know this is the 45 degree, so 2 sin 45 degree into cos of minus 9. As you know cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, ये previous video में बता चुके हैं, and sin 45 the value of is 1 by root 2 into cos 9, 2 by root 2 and cos 9. If you multiply it and divide by the root 2, you will get the root 2 upon 2, 2 to cancel, means you can write as after rationalization 2 under root 2 cos 9. This is proved. So by this way you can prove the value. Now the next one in the same exercise, the same type of questions are there, but in division maybe 5 6 these are in division, so nothing to worry. Like question number 6, sin 75 minus sin 50 upon cos 75 minus cos 50 is equal to, you have to prove that 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. How to prove? Prove that. So we take the proof LHS. As you know, this is a sin C minus sin D, and this is cos C plus cos D. तो use the formula of sin C minus sin D, अभी हमने बताया था, और cos C plus cos D, using these two formulae. तो sin C minus sin D is the 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. And what is the cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. So use these two formulae in the left hand side, in the numerator and denominator. So it will be 2 cos 75 plus 15 divided by 2 sin 75 minus 15 divided by 2 whole upon 2 cos 75 plus 15 divided by 2 and cos 75 minus 15 divided by 2. अब देख सकते हैं ये 2 कैंसिल, दिस फुल कैंसिल क्योंकि ये दोनों सेम है, बट दिस विल नॉट बी कैंसिल, और यू कैन राइट साइन दिस द सेम 75 minus 15 that is 60, 60 by 2 that is 30, sin 30 and cos 30 you can write as, पहले तो ऐसे लिख दे अगर कुछ और नहीं समझ में आ रहा क्योंकि sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा, then you can write as tan 30 degree and what is the value of tan 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. So by this way you can get the answer. Similarly, we can get the others also like 7, 8, but where the 4 terms are there like 8, 9, 3 terms, 4 terms, 8 and 9. So how to do? This is also the easy one, but before that I fill the ink in the pen because this is the white temporary marker, not the permanent, and this is the volatile in nature. Volatile means if we keep without the cap it will not work, so I have to keep always with this cap close with pen and then we keep. Now question number 8, cos 7x cos 5x, prove that cos 3x cos x, prove that cos 7x cos 5x cos 3x cos x is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x and cos 4x. Then find the means prove that this one using the trigonometrical formula. How to prove? As there are the 4 terms and I had not told you about the formula that is using the 4 terms, but can you split in the 2? Yes, you can. Uniformity, if you will take say these 2 terms and these 2 terms you will get an answer, but it will be it will take the more time. If you make uniformity, because the 7x and x is equal to 8x, 5x and 3x is also 8x, so you will get the something common in that case. तो एक हम ब्रैकेट में ले लेते हैं ये फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट, and the second bracket cos 5x cos 3x, then use the formula cos c plus cos d अभी लिखा था हमने, तो 2 cos 7x plus x divided by 2 cos c minus d 7x minus x by 2 plus the formula, same formula here you write 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 and cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Then you will have 2 cos 8x by 2 means 4x, cos 6x by 2 means 3x, 2 cos 4x and cos x. Anything is common? Yes, 2 cos 4x is common, तो cos 3x and plus cos x. अब देखिए जो प्रूव करना था 2 cos 4x तो आ ही गया, एक टर्म तो आ गया, अभी और भी आ जाएगा बाय यूजिंग दिस वन. अगेन यूज द फॉर्मूला cos c प्लस cos d, तो 2 cos 4x 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 and cos 3x minus x by 2 and then simplify. So if you simplify, what you will get? 2 cos 4x into 2 cos 3x plus 4x by 2 means cos 2x and this is cos x. 2 to the 4 cos x. अब एक सीरियल में लिख लेते हैं क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कोई दिक्कत नहीं, तो दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड. So by using this you can get the answer. Now I will tell other questions in the next video, because first you practice up to here, you will get the sufficient knowledge, and then try to do yourself, क्योंकि जब तक आप नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमारे करने से कोई मतलब नहीं है। हम सिर्फ आई कैन गिव ओनली गाइडेंस, ओनली आई कैन explain the questions, but if you will do practice by yourself after understanding, means समझने के बाद, so you will get your knowledge, you can do the question by yourself, means जो untouched question, अब ये तो question तुम कर ही लोगे, but कुछ untouched होते, because you are going to appear for the various types of competition, competitive examinations in the future, so you should know the your ideas, you should know the your concept, how to solve, how to crack the solution, means this any type of solution, any type of questions. So this is depends on you, this is depends on your labor, this is depends on your hard work, how much hard work you are doing. So I this questions I will make the one more video on this exercise only, then you will get the more knowledge, sufficient knowledge. Thank you.